Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to start rabbit farming in South Africa. Rabbit farming can be a profitable venture, so let's see how to get started. First, you'll need adequate space, preferably a few acres, for the rabbits to graze. Next, build sturdy and secure hutches or cages for the rabbits to live in. Ensure the hutches are well ventilated and protected from predators like snakes and foxes. Invest in good quality rabbit breeds that are suitable for meat production. Make sure that you buy healthy rabbits with bright eyes, dry noses and clean ears and feet. The rabbit's fur should be smooth and clean and its teeth in line. Do not buy a mature female because you cannot always know how old she is. She might, for instance, have reached the end of her productive life and will be of no use. Long toenails indicate that the rabbit is older. Buy breeding stock when they are about 6 months old. It's important to have a breeding pair of rabbits to kickstart your farm. Keep the rabbits on a balanced diet of hay, fresh greens, and commercially available rabbit pellets. Do not feed rabbits greens that have become heated, food that has been sprayed with pesticides, spoiled food or moldy hay. Remember to provide them with a constant supply of fresh water. To begin, you might need an initial investment of around 4,000 Rand to 80,000 Rand for infrastructure and rabbits. The cost could vary depending on the size of your farm and the number of rabbits you want to start with. As the rabbits grow, depending on the breed, colors, and size, you can sell your rabbits anywhere from 1,000 Rand to 2,000 Rand per bunny. Rare breeds will get much higher prices per rabbit. Rabbit farming requires regular monitoring and care to keep your animals healthy. Provide regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations to prevent diseases and ensure optimal growth. Create a schedule for cleaning and maintaining the hutches to maintain hygiene. Proper waste management is vital to prevent any foul odors or health risks. Educate yourself about rabbit farming from reliable sources and seek advice from experienced rabbit farmers. Learn about the breeding process, how to care for newborn rabbits, and how to market your products effectively. Network with other farmers and join rabbit farming associations or communities in your area. Keep records of your expenses, sales, and growth rates to track the progress of your rabbit farm. As your rabbit farm expands, you might consider hiring additional staff to help with daily operations. Ensure you have a solid business plan and marketing strategy for long-term success. Remember to provide adequate shelter, good nutrition, and proper veterinary care for your rabbits. Always prioritize their welfare and create a stress-free environment for their well-being. Rabbit farming can be a fulfilling and profitable venture in South Africa, so start your journey today. Don't forget to do thorough research and consult with professionals to ensure you're on the right track. Good luck with your rabbit farming journey, and may your farm thrive and prosper.